Amazon rainforest, South America. Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon rainforest stretches across 9 South American countries, playing a crucial role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. This lush jungle is home to 1 in 10 known species on Earth, offering a remarkable diversity of flora and fauna, including jaguars, sloths, and vibrant bird species. Beyond its biological wonders, the Amazon is a cultural treasure, with indigenous communities maintaining a deep connection to the land.